Okay.
You really did it.
See ya. Okay, Sharon.
Hi.
We have the boat. What do you do when every single bit of your normal life gets taken away from you? In the last year, we've all gone through our fair share of mental hurdles in our relationships with other people, but most importantly, in our relationship with ourselves. If you're trying to get back up on your feet, it's crucial that you go back to the simpler things. Find those little escapes from your boring daily routine and make the most of your surroundings. But above all that, you can spice it up and get creative. And in my case, I went on Airbnb, went on local unique stays in Vancouver, and found probably the most incredible experience in Canada. So in this video, you're going to watch Sharon and I stranded in the Pacific Ocean for 24 hours on this insane Airbnb.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
No.
Oh my god.
Okay. Hey.
Check out your YouTube channel. That's really cool.
Hey, yeah, thank you.
It's so cool. I've always wanted to do something like that. So I can only take one person at the time.
Okay.
Who would like to go first?
You go ahead. You go.
You gonna stand here alone?
Yeah.
Okay.
We will see you soon.
Okay. Bye.
We might come back for you.
Yeah, we're not sure.
I'll be waiting. My arms are legitimately falling off my body, but we're hanging in there. I work out for this, for this moment right here. I'll just wait for them to come back and hopefully they come soon.
Make yourself at home. I'll be back soon.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck. Sharon's at the dock. Jean-Michel left. I got this whole boat to myself in the middle of the port of Vancouver. I have no way of getting off. But this is our Airbnb. This is our home for the next 24 hours. And guys, this is what it's all about. Oh, there she is. There she is. Look at her just enjoying it. She doesn't even know I'm recording this. Such a sweet girl. Not doing anything wrong. Just GoProing her experience. And I'm making fun of her. That's life. You have the pizza, right?
Yes,
That's-
I have the pizza.
That's the important part. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, Sharon.
Hi.
We have the boat. Okay, let's give you a tour. So first things first, on the outdoor top deck, we have a propane tank and a nice little fire pit.
Stuff my dad would usually do.
Not a girl, not a girl. Make your dad proud. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's do an indoor tour now. So first things first, we have a nice cute bed over here. That's where we're gonna sleep. We have windows all around. We've got a bathroom, hell of a bathroom. Can we both go in here at the same time? I don't know. I'll explain it from inside the shower. Okay, well this is the bathroom. Nice shower, some shampoo, lotion, shampoo plus.
Whoa!
Shampoo plus, if you thought you wanted shampoo, now you get shampoo plus. A toilet window, a nice window for when you're pooing and you feel like turning around and looking at the people on the C bus in Vancouver who are staring at you. Yeah, those are always great. Oh, hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Wait, this is cute. The little decor is what makes the place.
That's absolutely correct. I agree. Couldn't agree more with you, actually.
He's being sarcastic.
Hello. Nice to see you guys again. Let's come in here. Is this really that important? I don't think so. Just a shit ton of spices, oils, towels, OxyClean, all the stuff that you don't want to see. But we're gonna show it to you anyway, because this is Sprought and it's a mindset. No? Am I overusing that? Okay, okay, okay. Kitchen. Apparently, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. This is a kitchen. So this place is called a floating love nest, and what is more lovey nesty than this? Follow me. We've got some chairs in case Sharon and I want to have our morning tea. A little bit of crumpets sitting here, watching the city wake up, watching everyone in Vancouver put their underwear on. We got a beautiful chair that only I can sit in because I call dibs. I'll take you guys in for this one. Assuming there are no prisoners, we have on this floor a hidden, even though it's pretty obvious, bed. This is bedroom number 2. Okay, would you like to go in?
I do.
Oh my god. Wow. Because you have stubs for legs.
I'm average height.
How tall are you?
5'5".
That's short.
That's average height.
Oh my god, look at this. It's you in the city. Okay, so that's essentially the tour of the boat of this unique Airbnb in Vancouver, Canada. Don't know why I just threw that. Now let's start living.
Pizza number 1! The garlic knots! And then William got every meat in the book on his pizza. So Will's on a phone call right now, and he left me alone with the food. He left me alone with the food, so naturally, I'm going to eat. Unleashing the monster inside me. Not good. He'll forgive me later. Wow, where'd all the marinara go? I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 10 p.m. and we have had a boring night. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna drink alcohol.
Yeah! On Sprought, we don't condone the consumption of alcohol, but when done safely, we like it. Some Kirin Ichiban, which is the best beer in the entire world. Don't at me, or at me, but don't at me. And some soju. We've got 2 Asian drinks. You know what that means, Sharon?
It means...
It doesn't, no, it doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
Just 2 Asian drinks.
Okay. Ichiban is like that when Joey and Friends did that lipstick commercial that's purple. Ichiban. Lipstick for men.
Ichiban, lipstick for men. Saiko.
Ichiban.
Okay, all right.
Lipstick for men.
No, one sec. Let's go finish these outside. Yeah, yeah.
Very straightforward question. Being on the deck of a boat in the middle of the water, seeing a skyline in Vancouver, how does that make you feel?
Pretty grateful and pretty blessed. Because of this, I'm gonna try and do like a unique Airbnb experience every city that I visit. Like if they have one, I'm gonna try and be part of that because it's so cool. Ciao. So we just stopped being boring, had a great night outside, enjoyed the view from such a nice perspective. It's off to bed, and in the morning, hopefully we don't get any rain.
You keep dreaming.
Yeah, we keep dreaming, and we finish up the rest of this awesome experience. See you in the morning. Good morning. We're still on a boat. This is the view. We woke up here. Boom.
So it's 8 in the morning. It is pouring rain. It's about 5 degrees outside. Don't know how cold the water is, but I'm assuming very cold. And last night we joked about how we should jump in the water tomorrow morning. The time comes and it's very gloomy, very rainy. No one wants to do it. And then I looked at Will and I was like, you should jump in the water. When is the next time you're going to be on a boat in the middle of water, in the middle of Vancouver, with no one around and the ability to just hop in? I'd say probably not for a very long time. It's very clean. It's nice and blue. And it took about 15 seconds of convincing for him to agree to do it. I think you should do it. It's a mindset.
Oh no.
It's a mindset.
Oh no. Oh no.
You better not go feel the water.
I don't want to put my head in.
What? I'm very persuasive.
Okay. Let's see.
Ooh, got the neon going on. Listen, if you're gonna do it, you just have to send it. Look at him contemplating his life. I'll have towels ready for you.
Oh, this is so stupid.
Yes!
I really don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. Oh, it's salty.
Wow, you really did it.
Okay.
You really did it. Nice.
Okay, what? It's a mindset. You just gotta go out and do it. I feel nice and alive right now. I just took a cold dip in the port of Vancouver. Meanwhile, most of you, what'd you do today? Had your breakfast, watching TV. Go out and do something every single day that's outside your comfort zone. Why? Because that's how you improve in life. If I can do this, what can I do? Mindset.
This guy had no coffee, no breakfast, no nothing. Just went straight into it, said it's a mindset, and decided he would jump in the water.
Someone talking about me? You guys talking about me without me being in the room?
Maybe.
Good things, I assume.
Of course.
All right, well, we're all ready to go. This marks the end of the unique Airbnb experience. Final thoughts? Any thoughts?
It was definitely one of the coolest places I've ever stayed, ever. So.
Those are some great final thoughts. Thanks. You can just tell how magical this place is because of the host. When he got laid off, he had to pay the bills, so what did he do? He took his love for creating Airbnbs and unique experiences, as he was previously a flight attendant, and he decided to make his own with what he had. How did you get around to it being like a boat and in Vancouver and stuff?
I traveled a lot, and I think that's why I think outside of the box a bit. But I always wanted to have my cool, own, unique Airbnb.
That's super, that's actually really cool.
Not only does he get to make a living doing what he loves, but we also get to experience things in our own cities that we otherwise never would have experienced if we never had the opportunity. Hey, just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this and you want to see more travel adventures and personal growth content, please make sure to hit that button and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.